coffee. They made this like sludge. Mas Forte. I thought this was cream, it's just more coffee. You want us to send you some salt when we find it? So as you can see, we are not in the tourist part of Bali anymore. We are back here where the villagers actually live. And so just driving around here, people are very amused that we are here with our little cars. And I think they're very...
we're like here, this is it.
Very curious what we're doing here.
Hello.
Wernie right there. We're looking for her.
Oh, this is the... This one, the name...
Wernie.
Yeah, and the... yeah, and the...
Wernie. We've come back to get salt.
Yeah.
A lot of it.
What kilo you?
Alen tu timbang nak basah tu ni. Nak basah tu
Ada-
ada. Ni nak mengirim ke Jepang ni.
For Jepang
Orang
gitu ya.
Jepang, Prancis.
Prancis, France.
And it's all the same?
Yeah.
Per. This is per. And then every month,
Ya.
100 kilos.
100 kilo satu bulan.
Sunday. There's like a giant wooden pass card. You can use, there's like one swipe for palm puree. Okay. Just how I get my groceries.
Go slow. Give me a...
Even spread. Now maybe if the coconuts are different sizes, I don't know how that affects this. For all of you analytical brains out there, I'm sure the ratio is a little difficult to process. So what we have here is very similar to the one we were just looking at, but as you can see, they've already Thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Oke.
Oh, salah.